Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Honda announced that it will build a new fuel cell electric vehicle, FCEV, based on the new CRV at its Performance Manufacturing Center, PMC, in Marysville, Ohio. The plug-in hydrogen vehicle will go into production starting in 2024. The car will certainly be based upon the CRV at the very least in part, because it has actually been Honda's very popular crossover for the last 25 years. It will certainly be able to be filled up at both hydrogen fueling terminals as well as billing stations for electric automobiles. Driven by electrical motors, proprietors will certainly have the selection of billing their batteries straight from the electrical grid, or making their very own electrical energy on board with hydrogen. That, Honda claims, will certainly offer owners the liberty of selection to bill like an EV for their daily commute or refuel promptly at a hydrogen station if, claim, they're on a trip. Regrettably, couple of various other details, such as battery dimension, array, or power, have been exposed. Honda did say, though, that the automobile will certainly be developed at its performance manufacturing facility in Ohio, which the brand new hydrogen car will be generated in smaller size numbers than, state, the basic CRV. Historically, the PMC has been responsible for producing highly technical automobiles on a little range. It was, for example, where the Acura NSX was made till earlier this month, and is also behind the PMC versions of the TLX, the RDX, and the MDX. It is additionally where Honda develops a variety of its factory race cars. When it introduced the 2023 CRV, Honda claimed that it would certainly play a big role in its electrification approach. It expects that the crossbreed variation of the CRV will stand for half of the version's sales. More information on this CRV-based gas cell electrical car, on the other hand, will be released more detailed to its introduction in 2024. Thank you for watching.